got me today out in Fortwalton, yes sir, always. And I'm by myself today, yeah, lonely. Everybody busy, everybody all of a sudden has a life. Crazy. Anyway, it's a nice little boat there in front of me. I ain't gonna show y'all. It seems like it's gonna rain, but I don't think it's gonna rain until the morning time. But guess what? It's a lit night. Try not to cuss, I don't want to curse. But yeah. Turned out I had to leave this meet. Gang linking up, you already know. We ain't finna turn up tonight, but that's a whole different type of show right there. Kinda ain't ready to see that. Anyway, gas on E, of course. Need to stop by a gas station, fill this thing up for the one time. I'm hopefully on for the one time tonight. It's a nice house over here. I ain't never actually rode on this road. That's crazy. Yeah. Oh, they had a dog sitting in the chair in there. Like, if y'all ever watched The Boy, that's what they tripping. I see that first couple. Anyways, I'm gonna cut y'all back on something interesting pop up. Probably, whenever I get to the gas station.
In 1 mile, keep left onto Perry Avenue.
That was rude. I was talking and she already knew that. But feel me, I'll be back. See you later, homies. Yes, sir. They got all types of stuff out here. Oh, look at that. Man, I might have by myself though, but I don't care. Everybody pulling in, pulling out, pulling in, pulling out. Did I get here too late? Damn, what that was? Out here is loud. That pink thing again.
Yeah, like bars and coffee? Yeah.
Hey, you know they changing locations or something?
Yeah, we're all going to the mall.
To the mall? Oh. Okay. I was
It ain't used for nothing else, shit.
I just got here. Everybody leaving. Okay, I guess we are going to the mall. Yeah, I remember that. I will say y'all remember that, but I ain't got the videos of that thing yet. That's super dope, man. That thing. Yeah, wait. Yeah, I'm dropping the video tonight. Well, by the time y'all see this, it's gonna be a different night. Anyways, I'm gonna hop up in my ugly thing. I'll be back. Yo, when we get to the mall or something like that. I hopped up in this thing quick, boy. I'm about to say, I hear a turbo. That's that diesel. Oh, they cutting up in front of the police that just passed by. Y'all ain't seen them. That Fox body behind that thing look good. Wake 'em up, bucko. Wake 'em up. We don't stop at those. Sitting right there. Ooh, let me duck this down, y'all. Like that. That thing is Fortwalton. Hear you, buddy. I don't know where the mall at, but I'm just going where I see everybody else. Back there in that blue Challenger back there. So you got a main line that's sitting back down. The heck this road back. Anyways. But just wait till I get this truck right, man. It's over with. I'm always going to car meets, but I'm in a truck. And my next vehicle will be a motorcycle. Then I go get me a car or something. Feel me? Ooh, man. Ooh, that thing is nice. I missed it. I'm glad I just left the gas station, baby. Yes, sir. You see it? Cool. Y'all see the miles on that? Look at that. Crazy. I bet I get caught at this light. They get traffic right now. We got both lanes tough. I also like caught us. I wasn't even looking at the camera. I'm all in the sky. Look at it. That's it. That's RT that what it's called. Homeboy got one. Dodge Caliber, I want to say. Don't talk about me if I'm wrong. Alright. Dang. This light been be red for a minute. I just know it is. Dang. GoPro charger. You see him? I'm gonna start using it soon. Real soon. I just be charging up, letting it go back there. Anyways, I'll be back here. Everybody switching lanes. I ain't trying to be stuck in the wrong lane. Alright, look at that. Fortwalton even got a good mall. I ain't never heard of them having a good mall like that. Ooh, caught by the light. I just knew it. Caught by the light. I knew it. Man. Let's turn my music back on. I'll be back. Alright, I done caught back up. Yes, sir. Can't even tell this is my little kid though. But it's decent. unseen. Yes, sir. Come at line right here. Yeah, there it is. Right here. Ooh, they pulling in though. Come at here, boom. Bro, somebody just called me. The video. Ooh, look at that. Pulled up. Tom. Ooh. Big boy. You got him now. Few. Alright, man. I think I didn't walk around. Right. I was online looking up, trying to get these lights. I need that. Got them inside it and in the engine bay.
She knows who I am.
5. Oh, scat. Why, bro? Bruh. This truck beats me, bro. Hello. No. That boy ride that KTM everywhere, don't he? Go this way. See what's all down here. Look at them. Mirror right there. I don't even know the name of this car, but it's like beautiful. Got the bikes. What's that? I got my baby right there and shit. The views on this thing. Walk down here. See the line up. Check y'all the line up. I like that wrap. Wrap coming soon. And they got the vets down. They got security to just stop right there like you finna go ahead with the head. Y'all got to go. Got to go. He looking through nose. Look at that. Aggravating, but I'm like, nobody ain't doing nothing. What you want? That bitch got the grocery shop.
You want me to pull out my Jeep right here? Yeah, pull up my Jeep right here. I'll put it in. I got the piggyback. It's pretty much almost.
This thing is fast. This thing's twin turbo fast.
You're doing 3.3. 3.3 is now your twin.
You took me on the right one?
I got the red seats.
Look, Brett, you got a tire on it. It's literally like this. This was his ankle. Like, rear axle.
Boy.
Hey, Will. Tim's here. Tim, you want to come in?
Ooh, that's a.
I was promises at first, then I realized it wasn't. It's a V6.
What? I feel like it's a fake cover on that vid.
I wish it was a fake cover. No, it's a 3.6.
For real?
It's a sleeper. Nah, he's invested. It's a sleeper, bro.
That's
I got
crazy.
nitrous in the back.
It's just a lot of there.
I wish.
That's crazy that they come like this now. Yeah.
Hallmark. Little light.
Staying clean, Joe.
That thing got a hit.
No, keep going.
Look at the man hood. That boy hood open all the way. Oh yeah, yeah, that thing running, man. I want to say, I think he raced. I think he raced the Hellcat. I don't know. Yeah, I know he raced the Audi. The Audi only won because takeoff perfect. He hit that light perfect. Got that turbo diesel in that bit, boy. When they do these, this jump be so hard to me. Them wheels cost too much though. Got that brand new Fortwalton over there. Y'all didn't see the steps go up. That boy pulled up in the tow truck.
That shit's jerky shield across all the time. Those are old school.
45.
But you gotta get the onload down to be able to
Like,
do that anyways.
after I wired it up, I turned on his car, hooked up my phone, turned the volume all the way up. All I did was put my hand on the phone.
These boys are having a blast on that thing. Ooh, that thing nice.
Turn right.
Yeah, sure. That meat was decent. I don't know. I prefer meats that just that hop from here to here because I like driving in traffic and everything with all the other cars instead of just parking and feel me. But head home now, boy. Finna get me a good old shower and bathe really good always and link up with my boys. We headed out downtown Pensacola, baby. It's lit. That's the move for the night. So if you down there, make sure you run into me, bro. Cause I'm trying to tell you, me and my team here is litty. Gonna head to hop over there real quick. Hope I don't get pulled over out here again, man. Oh, this is crazy out here. I mean, they ain't all that mean, but they everywhere. But I did deserve my last ticket. He couldn't get me out of it. Really. I was moving way too fast. Let's see if I can get away with it this time. Anyways, I'll let y'all know when I'm back at the Brazil. Or with the T9. Yeah. When I pick up my boys, we'll cut you back on, man. Alright. Bro, this man's on this tricycle up here. It's tripping. He just hopping lane to lane, swerving. He just hopped in a turning lane and swerved back in the. He is tripping like. These are cars you jumping in front of, brody. I'm sure I catch up with them. Yeah. I'll catch up with them. Oh, Shawty, you stay on that side now. Thank you. Man, right here, man. I need to roll my windows up. Hold on. Dang, man, I always pop my ears every time. Yeah, man, do it up there. It's really on some trippy stuff. I thought he fell asleep on that thing for a second, man. He swerved so hard. It ain't even, sense. Kind of fast on that thing, ain't it? God dang. Why I gotta do all that to catch up with you, brother? Let's see if you're gonna do something else out here, man, because he's tread. You need to park that. Hope ain't nobody around with him. No, they on there. Terrified. He gone. Speeding up. Hopped over. No blinker. Right in front of that car. Come on, man. Look. What is he doing? I don't even want to get that close to him. No. Cause I'm sorry to tell you. You get bumped out that road by me, you was gonna be on your own, on your lonely. So I'm gonna keep it pushing. Yes, sir. Just here ride my tail like that. I hate when you do that. I mean, every time somebody ride my tail, I just assume you the police, man. All right, stop playing. Get back. Anyways, man, I better turn my music back on, man. This man crazy though. I better get by him first. I gotta get by him. Cause I don't want him hopping in front of me on some psycho stuff. Yeah, goodbye. Get there. Alright, y'all. I'll tell y'all in a minute. Oh, what? This nigga got 3 bands on him. They tight out here though. Can't tell me. That's it. Throw that dirty window. Oh, I gotta clean my window.